Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. When choosing a file system for your Linux system, the decision often comes down to balancing general-purpose functionality with specific needs like reliability, scalability, or performance for certain tasks. In this video, we'll break down the most popular file systems in Linux: ext4, XFS, BtrFS, and OpenZFS, explaining why ext4 remains the best general-purpose file system and when you might want to switch to another option. Let's start with ext4, the default file system for most Linux distributions. Why is it still considered the best general-purpose option? ext4 has been around for years and is known for its reliability. It's widely supported and stable in all types of environments, from desktop computers to servers. While it doesn't have the cutting-edge features of newer file systems, ext4 offers excellent read-write performance for most everyday tasks. This makes it perfect for PC and server use cases that don't require advanced features like data checksums or snapshots. Unlike more complex file systems, ext4 doesn't require much RAM or special tuning. It works well out of the box, making it the most user-friendly file system for most Linux users. However, there are situations where ext4 might not be the best option. Let's look at where other file systems excel. XFS is an excellent choice if you're dealing with large files or need parallel write capabilities. XFS is designed for high-performance environments, especially where large file transfers are common. For instance, workstations dealing with heavy data processing or media production might benefit from its fast file handling capabilities. XFS is commonly used in server environments due to its scalability and reliability with large storage pools, although it's not great for handling many small files. Keep in mind that XFS lacks some advanced features like data checksums, making it less suited for environments where data integrity is a top priority. BtrFS, while newer and still evolving, shines in environments where snapshots, self-healing, and data integrity are important. BtrFS is great if you need regular snapshots for backups or rollback options. It supports on-the-fly compression, making it an attractive choice for home servers or systems where storage efficiency is important. With built-in data checksums, BtrFS can automatically detect and correct file corruption, offering a layer of protection that's absent in ext4 and XFS. However, keep in mind that RAID 5.6 support in BtrFS is still considered unreliable. For general-purpose use, BtrFS might not outperform ext4, but for those who prioritize data integrity and require advanced features like snapshots, BtrFS is a solid choice. Finally, OpenZFS offers the most advanced features, but comes with higher system requirements. OpenZFS excels in managing large-scale storage environments, making it ideal for enterprise storage solutions or home NAS systems that need robust data management features like deduplication, transactional integrity, and snapshots. With built-in protection against bit rot, checksums on both data and metadata, and the ability to take consistent snapshots, OpenZFS is the go-to choice for users who demand the highest level of data reliability. However, it's important to note that OpenZFS requires significant amounts of RAM and careful system tuning, so it's not the best choice for typical desktop users. Which file system should you use? To wrap up, here's a quick summary. ext4, best general-purpose file system, suitable for most users due to its stability, performance, and low overhead. XFS, ideal for high-performance environments that handle large files and require parallel writing capabilities. BtrFS, best for users needing advanced features like snapshots, compression, and data integrity, but beware of its RAID limitations. OpenZFS, the enterprise-grade file system offering unparalleled data protection and scalability, but with high system requirements. Ultimately, your choice of file system should depend on your specific use case. If you're looking for something simple, reliable, and supported across the board, ext4 is your best bet. But for advanced use cases, whether it's handling large volumes of data, managing backups, or ensuring data integrity, there's a file system out there that's perfect for your needs. Thanks for watching, and let us know in the comments which file system you prefer for your Linux setup.